welcome back to my channel. Officially fall. So today I just wanted to do a fall get ready with me. I used to do so many of these on my channel back in the day and I stopped doing it. I don't know why, but we're gonna get back into it because I really do miss doing getting ready with me. So I'm gonna do my makeup, my hair, and show you a cute little fall outfit for today's video. Thanks to Focallure for working with me on today's video. They sent me some amazing products, so let's just get into it. My everyday concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color number 15. I'm just gonna put this under my eye and wherever I have red areas, so that's usually around my nose. So I just like putting my concealer on my eye, on my nose, on the sides of my nose, and I just blend with my finger, in all honesty. I'm super duper excited for the fall season. I feel like last year was kind of, I don't know, you know, with the whole situation that we had going on in the world, I just feel like it was so hard to enjoy things, and now we're slowly but surely getting back to normal, so we're able to, you know, enjoy a little bit. I'm super excited to decorate. This is the quickest makeup tutorial. Like, I do my makeup in 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to be taking the Focallure palette. This one is in the shade number 8, and you guys, tell me that this palette, like, this palette literally looks like a coffee shop. I'm going to be taking the shade Revive. So this shade is like a goldish color, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I really like to do natural makeup, and I think gold looks really pretty with brown eyes. All over my eyelid, and it's just gonna give me like a really pretty shimmery shadow on my eye. It goes on really creamy. Like, this palette is amazing. I've actually been using it for about a week now and I love it. So I'm gonna be taking that color and just putting it all over my eye. Guys, I'm not the best at makeup, but I do try to make it work. So we're gonna take the color Cathedral and we're just gonna put that in the crease just to give a little bit of dimension, you know? And the colors go on so smooth and evenly, so I love that. And I'm just gonna blend away. It's literally like the simplest eyeshadow trick, but it makes such a difference. I'm gonna be taking this jumbo eye pencil. I'm just gonna be placing that like right in my inner corners just to give it a little pop of gold. As you guys can see, I really love gold. And just give myself some shimmer. Doing my blush, just taking this blush right here from MAC, and I am blushing the crap out of my face. I love blush. That's honestly like one of my favorite things. I can't live without blush. Like, I feel like if I had to choose between 2 makeup products, it would definitely be blush and concealer, or blush and lip gloss. Yeah, or like a lip balm, like a nice little lip balm. Yeah, definitely. And next I'm gonna be taking my favorite mascara. This is the Merit Beauty mascara. This, honestly, you guys, you don't know how obsessed I am with this mascara. Like, this mascara just gives your lashes like this look when, you know, like when you're out of the shower and your lashes are wet. This is what this mascara makes your lashes look like. Like, it just gives it the most natural look. Like, I've never gotten that from a mascara. So, lightly coat my lashes with the mascara. And then I'm going to be using the Focallure lipstick in Carnival. This is number 10. This is a really pretty rosy color for the fall time. So I'm just going to be taking that. I'm going to be taming my brows a little bit, so I'm going to be using the Merit Beauty brow gel. This just keeps your brows in place. And last but not least, I'm going to be taking the Sculpt Glow from Focallure, taking the highlight color right here. It's the prettiest shade, and I'm just going to highlight the highest points of my face, so like my nose, my cheeks. Like, guys, look at that glow. It's literally insane. So now let's pick an outfit. I just took a clip and I just pinned my hair back, kind of like a little half up, half down. And I just threw on this cute little brown dress with my, of course I have to wear this every single day, my promise ring. And that's basically it. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming fall videos coming soon. Thank you so much to Focallure for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check them out. I'm gonna have everything listed down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one.